So my first internship with Quicken Loans, I found through the job fair at Bowling Green State University. My second one with Steris Corporation, I found through LinkedIn and just networking on that platform. My third internship was with the Dean of the College of Business, so that one was through word of mouth. And my fourth internship with Eden Corporation, I got through a class. They came to talk to my data analytics class, and I networked with them that way, and then followed up for an interview. In my own personal opinion, I feel like obtaining internship was critical to increasing the chances of me having a better shot at success. Being a first-generation college student, I didn't know the first thing about the business world or college or what to expect, so being able to get that real-world experience and have something to speak to and polish my resume was critical for me.